again, and welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Someone told me I should call myself the Aldi Diva, but I'll be back to baking again soon. So it's Wednesday, June 3rd, and I'm going to take you down the Aldi Finds aisle to see what they have today. So here they have a foldable beach mat with a backrest. It is $19.99. I only see a few there, but they did come in like a pink, a teal and white stripe, and it looks like a black. And up here is a scallop mini pool by Intex, and this is ages 3 and up. Only sold at Aldi's, and it looks like they have a peach and a green, and they are $19.99 each. Here we have a pet glamping bed. Here, that would be about my style. I won't go camping, I'll go glamping. It says glamping inspired security and anti-slip, and they are $19.99 each. These are really cute. These are children's garden sets, and they have different designs on them. There you go. There's blue with a dinosaur, there's pink flamingo, and they include a bucket, a rake, a shovel, a round shovel, a watering can, and plant labels. And those are $8.99 each. These are what they're calling Americana, and it says neon signs. They're basically circle signs. This one has bees on it, and it says Home Sweet Home. And there's some Americana ones, Sweet Summertime with popsicles. I see one that says hello. On the box here, it's showing you the different kinds they have. I don't know if they're all here. One says welcome, one says hello summer, and they are $7.99 each.